Do-It-Yourself Dell, and we're back to more or less our normal practices of testing products that I'm totally unacquainted with. This is a C4 energy product, and explosive energy, endurance, and hydration. All great things. And let's see. No calories, all you'd expect, no fat, and no. So there's a bunch of zeros here. It's got some, no protein, and it's got some vitamins and so forth, and well, let's see what this stuff tastes like. Here. This is what the can looks like. It's higher up and skinnier, and this one is superhuman performance. Superhuman performance. Okay, so everything I'm reading here is all good things. And it's got carnosine, don't know what that is, beta power, and 0 grams of sugar. And it's got 150 milligrams of caffeine, so don't drink this right before you gotta go to sleep. Those two items won't work out too well. Okay, so let's see what this is. Nice and cold, by the way. It's carbonated, and I don't know if they have a flavor on here. I don't see a flavor, so this must be their regular flavor. Tastes pretty good. C4 Energy. It tastes great. Tastes outstanding. I got no problem with this. Continuing with our C4 here, it is strawberry watermelon ice. So I probably would have guessed the strawberry, but it does taste really outstanding. If there's any problem, some people don't want sugar on their teeth, or it doesn't have any sugar, but some people are not real crazy about carbonation, and they just, but for whatever reason on this or any other drink, if something's got sugar in it and you want it to get past your teeth, just use a straw. So that, again, that's not necessarily necessary with this product, but so for athletes this is ideal, and for people who just like soft drinks that taste great, also it should be in your wheelhouse. This is a great drink. Can't say enough about it. Just these are my first acquaintance with it, first taste, and so forth, and it's outstanding.